The capacity-building workshop began with an inspiring purpose: to explore the obligation of Dawah and the characteristics of do it in light of the Qur'an and the Sunnah of our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. The program opened with a beautiful recitation of the Holy Qur'an, setting a spiritual tone and reminding us of the profound message we are entrusted to convey. Ustad then delivered a powerful and insightful session, highlighting the importance of Dawah as an obligation upon every Muslim. He elaborated on the qualities of a da'i, rooted in sincerity, knowledge, wisdom, and patience, drawing directly from the Quran and the Sunnah to foster connection and unity. Attendees engaged in greetings and interactive activities. This lively segment encouraged teamwork and joy, reflecting the importance of building strong bonds within the community. The workshop concluded with a sense of fulfillment as participants enjoyed delicious Afghan cuisine, sharing laughter and camaraderie while reflecting on the day's learnings. Empowered and inspired, the Duaat left the workshop with a renewed commitment to their mission, ready to share the timeless message of Islam with wisdom and grace.